So let's take a look at this example then on how to find the limit as x approaches 1 of the square root of x minus 1 over x minus 1. So again, when working with limits, you want to try a few different things at first. Always try plugging in that value and see what you get. If we plug in a 1 here, especially in the denominator, we would be left with a 1 minus 1, which would leave us with a 0 in our denominator, which would be undefined. So when we do get an undefined function or 0 over 0, there are some other techniques that we can use to try and simplify this, tweak this a little bit to where maybe we can find the limit of it. So in this instance, with an equation that looks like this, what I'm going to do is I am going to use the conjugate in order to simplify this, specifically in my numerator. I'm going to take the conjugate of my numerator, which would be the square root of x plus 1, and I'm going to multiply numerator and denominator by that. So square root of x plus 1 over square root of x plus 1. So really, I'm just multiplying by 1, but this is going to help me out here. So when we multiply this out, square root of x times square root of x is an x. Then when we multiply the outside, that's 1 times the square root of x. Then minus the square root of x. Those are going to cancel with each other. And last, we're going to get a minus 1. In our denominator, I'm actually just going to move these over. I'm going to bring over the x minus 1 and the square root of x plus 1, just because I see that I have this x minus 1 in my numerator. So that means that this x minus 1 is going to cancel with this x minus 1, leaving me with a 1 over the square root of x plus 1. So now we are looking at finding the limit as x approaches 1 of this function. So now that we've reduced this, let's go ahead and plug in that 1 and see what we get, which means we get 1 over the square root of 1 plus 1. Now the square root of 1 is just a 1, so this is really just 1 plus 1. So this is giving us a 1/2 as the limit of this function.